All right. I'm gonna. I forgot about this. I'm gonna go ahead and implement this. Try to find out how to do it, how to go about it. Mm-mm-mm. Hold up. Oops. I think this stream is gonna be pretty chill, pretty short. I'm gonna try to be as efficient as possible, but this needs to be. Mm, mm, let's see what this looks like. This is just too many words. Ooh, could I? What is the styling of this? H2 padding bottom, border bottom. Okay. Maybe I need to implement that on an H3. Margin bottom, border. Whoa. All right. No. Let's not do that. I mean, if I can do it, can I do that? Huh? Can I save it? Copy. Nope. Cannot use that. Uh, hmm. Mm. I guess the pictures just won't be there for now. But on the admin portal side, I think I'm starting to believe to be of the mindset that like probably what's going to happen with the admin portal, there there isn't going to be like a final state of the admin portal. It's going to be ever evolving because there are going to be new needs and new ways to showcase things on the website with images, editing text, and stuff like that. So, like, I can try to think of everything under the sun, but even then, as time goes on, there's going to be new requests. There's going to be new things that need to be changed. There's going to be new components to the website. Like, I can make an admin portal, but it's never truly going to be done. So I think that's just where I am right now with it. Hmm. Maybe I'm maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Oh, but I think this is going to be this. I'll just change the font size to 14. Oh no. 16? No. Interesting. 20. It's almost the same size. 24. That's back to where it was 22? Mm, what is this, 15? Let's do that. I think with that, oh, there's one more thing I need to do here. With what's going on and what's being sent here, if there isn't, hmm, mm, email. Whoa, let's not capitalize that. We're not. Wow, you can tell them, hey, I'll change our whole status. I changed our life date. I'm not created that. I'm not. Hmm, huh, hmm, my Xbox. Mhm, 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 mhm. Hold up. Whoa. Mm, Chose yet. How would I do this? Oh, as I keep on adding more and more stuff here, it kind of does make sense to uh make a new function because data just keeps on getting more and more muddled. So I have the type. Uh, I actually, Let's do that. I'm just gonna have that be an extra field, but mm, 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 I'll go ahead and take these out. Uh, 'Cause this is in what? On send email, not the Stripe one. Hmm. As I keep on taking more and more stuff out of there, uh, it makes more and more sense. Well, I still need to have this. I still need to have that. Oh, but that. Hold up. Um, I don't want to do all that. All I want to do is just do that. Okay, I can just take that out. Uh, Now, last thing would be it. Uh, no, maybe not the last thing. Yeah, phone. Mm, do that. Mm, all of them are gonna have this event type. I wish I would forget this total cost thing. It's gonna have a type. Mm, Let's actually make. What? Oh, wait, you're blocking what I need to see. All right. Oops. There. It's blocking what I need to see. Thank you. Wow. This. I'm looking at these. Do I still need this? I'll go with it. But if, you know what? Whatever. We will see. Whoa, what is this? I like that. So. Message. This might be messy. I'm moving forward with this. I don't think it should give me errors. I think I did right. What else? Private dining. Make a new first, just so I'm clear. Go ahead and deploy those functions. And then the same logic should still apply. I wish this had better like styling, but I also don't. All this inline CSS is like difficult to work with because it's this part right here, but I don't know. Mhm, mhm. Something about this. Hmm. Max width 100. This is the entire thing. I'm gonna move on to private dining. Mm, we can do that. Wait, yeah, yeah, I think that works. Private dining contact page and the merch page, and then really, I should be really like done with the whole thing. That admin portal is going to be like a progressive thing that is ever evolving over time. And certain things about the admin portal are going to change what's on the front end, but that only changes whenever, like, for example, the images, these are just like kind of placeholders. And the plan is to replace these with images, but it doesn't make sense to have some of them with images and some don't. One, the styling of it is going to be off because one is going to be blown up, whatever. The other one is going to have text, like it's going to be like different widths, different height, stuff like that. Well, maybe not different widths because it's a grid, but you're going to have different height and stuff like that. Like it doesn't make sense unless all of them are styled. So I may need to in the future um make new like button components, one for an image and one not for an image, because the plan is once it has an image, once you hover over it, or one thought is to have an image right here in place right here, hover over it, and then the description comes up uh oh like as an overlay. But on mobile that may be a little bit different. And also on mobile you're playing with a whole lot less space. So it may make sense to have the button component whenever there is an image, just shift the description down. That may make more sense. So it's a lot to think about. But all that stuff is really contingent on all of it being uniform, or else it's gonna look terrible. Oh, oh, but should make this. Whoa. Uh, Cement detector. Oh, it's not a thing yet. Let's try this. What does that mean? Oh, what? Mm, 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 mm. I'm trying to look at what this. Trying to figure out what this hashtag is. It a thing? Code base? Wow, that's cool. So I don't have to keep on adding context. Like that's cool. Hmm. Let's add it. Send. All this looks good. Same stuff. Date. Date. Is there date? What? Because catering has a date. Doesn't. Oh, it doesn't. Hmm. Is the date being made in here? Oh, okay. Okay. What does this look like? No, I haven't included it yet. Also, I need to uh, do that. Uh-oh. Microsoft stealing from GitHub code bases. All right. Oh, this has its own thing. Uh, but this is just a whole lot of words. I wonder how this looks on mobile. Is this just like a wall of text that's just blocking people from actually like how how does this work? Yep, this is a wall of text. This is over a page long, just wall of text. No one's putting in information. No one like it may actually be a deterrent to have this much text on here, but okay. Um, let's call it something different. Let's call it that. Yeah, I think all this stuff is good. Good, cool. Uh, whoa. All right, now contact form. Whoa. Oops. That was, ASM. What is ASM? Assembly? Uh, 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 can, as the children in private don't usually understand. Let's see if this works. If I'm using this properly. 23 results. Oh no. Subject? Mm, probably not a subject. Probably won't need that. Oh, that's another thing. That whoa, this. Why is that doing that? Why are you doing that? Huh? Oh, oh, that's the wrong one. Okay, cool. That, hmm, that. Thank you. Okay, so let's try that. Subject won't be a part of this. Does it also look like that? Huh. Why does that look like that here? Oh, the type, private dining, subject. Take that out. Message. Um, let's do that. What could be the fix? Okay. Okay. Keep. Keep. And then all that stuff has been. Oh, let's see. Contact. Let's do that. And then. um, is that optional? What is that? What? Does it ever go away? I don't like that. You know what? Whatever. Final thing now would be to make the merch page. And that's really the last thing on the front end side that I would be doing. Mm, mm. Right now. I'll probably. Wow, I've kind of made good time doing this. Uh, I don't want to get into that right now. I'll probably do it on the next stream. It makes more sense. Also, go ahead and upload my current changes. Because what's going to happen is all the stuff that I made, I may have to turn around and change a lot more stuff. Like the nav bar is now going to have a merch tab. So when it, I don't know what I'm going to have to do with that because when I go down to a smaller screen, I have it set so that like stuff like this, it like I only have so many tabs I can work with. So I mean, I don't know what I can do. There's a lot more stuff than just making a merch tab or a merch page. I'm also going to have to deal with more Stripe logic. Um, so that's a thing. But yeah. Also upload all this stuff to GitHub. Uh, 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 that's fine. All right, cool. All right, clean slate. Now, all I really have to do is the merch page, and I should be good, at least on the front end side. So, with that being said, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Uh, subscribe if you want to. No pressure. But yeah, tomorrow should be the last day, and then I'm preparing for render. Should have fun. So, talk to you later. Peace. I'm sorry for this short stream.